Good morning, it's Dave Littlejohn coming to you live from my backyard because we're actually going through COVID protocols right now. So just trying to do the right stuff, although I can assure everybody, feeling fine, feeling pretty much 100% and have never really dropped below that, but I guess we're doing what we're supposed to do. This is a quick video. I know we haven't reached out in a while, but the markets have been a little tumultuous lately, so we wanted to send an email on behalf of the team at Littlejohn Financial and just talk a little bit about what we see going on and what we're doing. First of all, no doubt you've noticed that inflation has definitely been setting in, and the Federal Reserve has announced that they plan to be raising interest rates. So what this means for us as investors is the cost of capital is changing, right? So the input variables that go into all the different equations we use to try to evaluate what things cost are changing. And so the markets are trying to make up their mind what it's going to mean. But right now, the trend has begun, it's really gone negative. Okay, and so we're seeing the markets give up their returns. We've kind of peeled back from the highs of last year. We're back into sort of October prices of last year. That's not terrible. I mean, we still had a really pretty good return, and the last several years have been very good in the markets. But as they like to say in the investment world, it's not just what you make, it's what you keep. So what we're doing is just letting you all know, for those of you investing with our firm, if you're not a client, this is really, maybe this is interesting for you to see, but it's not necessarily relevant. But if you are, we are going to be stepping in for equity positions that you own. So the stocks that you own, we're not talking about bonds and the more conservative stuff, but for folks that have equity positions, we're going to be making some adjustments. You can expect to see us reduce the exposure to equities for a little while, and we're going to be putting on a hedge, which is a way for us to dampen volatility. So as the markets swing up and down, we're hoping that this is going to help reduce those swings up and down. And if the markets do go down, these are some positions that should go up while the markets are going down. Again, all of your portfolios are different, so you'll have to kind of look under the hood at what we do for your specific circumstance. But the idea is that we want to make sure that we keep some of those gains that we've held on to. We're still long-term. We're still okay, that we think the markets are going to find their way through this. So it's not like we're freaking out about it. It's just that we want to take some action to preserve this. And said another way, we'd rather be half right than 100% wrong, right? So when we put a hedge on, if the markets go up, we're still largely invested and we're still going to be going up and participating. But if the markets continue to draw down a little bit, then what we want to do is preserve some capital and then have the ability to come back into the market at a lower price and buy things on sale. So that's what we're doing. So we just want to let you know that we are paying attention and we're on top of this stuff. If you've got questions, you're welcome to reach out to us. You can send us an email at info@littlejohnfs.com. You can call 541-375-0898. But we're also going to try to continue to update you with these videos just so that you have a sense of what we're doing and why. But the investment committee's all discussed it. Everybody's on the same page. We had about a 2-hour meeting yesterday to talk about this. And our impression is that we've had a really good run. It's okay to lock in some gains from here, and then we'll sort of reboot and see what the economy is going to offer us next. But right now we're in a season of change, so we'll be adaptive. If you've got other questions, again, reach out to us. But that's the update for now. Stay tuned. There'll be more of these. But until next time, this is David Littlejohn, feeling great, safe and sound, just being safe for everybody else too. So working at a remote location until you hear from me later. All right, gang. Until next time, thanks. Catch ya.